What's up, everybody? That's Investing Sensei. So I thought I'd bring you guys another video on earnings. So this week is going to be great. It's actually going to be the last of the FAANG stocks reporting. So definitely some great companies to be watching and seeing how they will be affecting the market this week. Remember, in the long term, we just continue to dollar cost average, but it's very, very interesting just watching seeing how the market responds to these earnings. But I'm actually bringing to you this video on Tuesday, but Monday there wasn't really much of the major interesting companies that are reported besides Otis and Cirrus Logic are the only ones that really kind of like stood out for me. But if you guys have any of these companies you are watching this week, let me know in the comment section. Let me know which companies you're tracking and which ones you're excited to see or listen to the earnings calls. But on Tuesday before open, which is going to be right around the time I release this video, it's going to be ExxonMobil, which I know a lot of my subscribers do have in their dividend growth portfolio. So that is a company that maybe a lot of you guys will be tracking. But the next one that caught my eye is UPS. So this one will be great to listen and see how future earnings are coming and what's gonna affect the economy. But overall, aside from that, that is really all that I have that I would be interested in seeing before opening on Tuesday. After close, this is the ones where I'm kind of really interested, especially the first ones, which is going to be AMD. The reason why I'm interested in AMD is because I actually have a cash secured put. It's a monthly cash secured put on AMD with a strike price of $105. So definitely it'll be interesting to see how earnings are and how that's going to affect the strike price, or I guess the price of AMD, because I will get assigned 100 shares if it falls below $105. And then the next one here that's very interesting that will be interesting to listen to is PayPal and then Alphabet. So Alphabet is going to be huge. We will see how that's actually going to affect the market. Hopefully they come in with good earnings. Apple just did an amazing earnings this past week, if you guys got a chance to listen to it. The next one here is GM. Not very interested in that one, but Starbucks is another company that is in my actual dividend growth portfolio. So this one is one that I am very interested in seeing how the earnings were, and I will be listening to them. Out of all these other ones, MicroStrategy is probably the only one that sticks out, especially because just Bitcoin, how it's been tanking. So that one's kind of interesting on that one. Let me know if you guys are actually going to be listening to any of these on Tuesday. I know a lot of my subscribers are invested in Starbucks, so that is one of the main ones I will be listening to. But then on Wednesday, guys, before open, first one's gonna be is AbbVie. So this one's actually in my dividend growth portfolio, so I definitely will be listening to AbbVie, and it'll be interesting on that one. The next one that actually sticks out for me is Waste Management, which it's a great company to hold. I believe they actually in December, which I actually missed, I think they did a dividend increase of like 13% or so. So that is pretty awesome. This is a great long-term hold for me, and I am excited to see the earnings on how they go for that. That's about it for the Wednesday before open. And then after close, I see a couple ones that do stick out, which is going to be Meta. Meta is previously used to be called Facebook. They changed their name, and so I am invested in Meta, so I will be listening to the Meta earnings calls. And then there's Qualcomm, so that's a pretty interesting chip manufacturer. And then we got Spotify coming after that, so I'm not invested in Spotify. I know a couple people that are, but we will see. I'm not going to be listening to that one. Out of all these other ones, there's just T-Mobile, Align, and these are not ones that really stand out for me. But on Thursday before open, the one that is my portfolio, which is Honeywell. That one I will be listening to. I'm excited to see that one. And really, that's about it. I don't know if a lot of people are invested in Shell. And then after close, guys, this is going to be one of the FAANGs, which is Amazon, which is going to be reporting. They might move the market. We will see. But overall, yeah, Amazon's going to be reporting. Then we got Ford. So a lot of the automotive companies are reporting. Ford, and then we got GM over here. And then we got Pinterest, which previously I did sell cash secured put on that one. That one has been tanking some. It's I think trading right around the really low 30s. And then we got Activision Blizzard, which is actually gonna be pretty interesting, especially because you guys already know that Microsoft is trying to acquire them. So it'll be interesting on that one. I am long on Microsoft, so it might be interesting to listen to Activision Blizzard's earnings. And then over here, the last one that I am invested in my dividend growth portfolio is Skyworks. So I will be listening to Skyworks, and we will see how that one plays out on Friday before open, guys. There's really none that really interested me. There's Air Products, and then we got Air Products here, so that one's gonna be very interesting there. And that's actually gonna be it for this earnings for this week. There are going to be some great companies to listen to. A lot of them are in my dividend growth portfolio, so it'll be very exciting. And then after that, that should get mainly the major big tech companies. So it'll be exciting. Let me know if you guys own any of these companies or will be listening to any of the earnings for this week. Be sure to subscribe with that notification. And while you're down there, drop a big thumbs up on the video, help out the channel, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye, guys.